Welcome back, students, in this class of fractions and decimals. We study the chapter 2, exercise 2.5, and question is second one in the exercise 2.5. Question is third one. Third question. We'll start. Express 5 centimeters in meters and kilometers. So we have to express 5 centimeters into 5 centimeters into meters and kilometers. First we'll take 5 centimeters. So we know that is 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeters is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So for 5 centimeters, we have to multiply this 5 into 1 by 100 meter. Now 5 centimeters is equal to 5 by 100 meter, which is equal to 0.05 meters. So first is 5 centimeters in meters. So we converted here 5 centimeters into meters. So that is this 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meters. Now convert 5 centimeters in kilometers. So 5 centimeters. So this one we have in meters we got. Now in kilometers, 5 centimeters is equal to 0.05 meters. Therefore, now 0.05 meters is equal to 0.05 into 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1, 2, 3. So now this one is 0.05 by 1000. Therefore, this one is 0.005 kilometers. So 0.05 meters is equal to 0.0005 kilometers. So first we converted 5 centimeters into meter. Then what we got in meters we converted into kilometers. So expressing 5 kilometers in both in meters and also in kilometers. Now this is the first one in third question. We'll move to the second one. that is express 35 millimeters in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Therefore, expressing 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Next, 10, we know that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeters, and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. Similarly, for 35 millimeters, 35 into 1 by 10 centimeters. Therefore, this will be equal to 35 by 10 is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So 35 millimeters is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now we finished converting millimeter to centimeters. Now we convert centimeter into meters. Convert centimeters to meter. So we'll take 3.5 centimeters. Okay, therefore we know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Therefore now for 3.5 centimeters is equal to 3.5 into 1 by 100 meters. Now 3 centimeters is equal to 3.5 by 100 meter, which is equal to 0.035 meter. .5 by 100 is equal to 0.035. Centimeters is equal to 0.035 meters. Now convert meter to kilometer. Now we take this one. We know that 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1,000 kilometer. Therefore, take this 0.035 meter is equal to 0.035 into 1 by 1,000. Therefore, this will become 0.035 by 1,000, which is equal to 0.000035 kilometers. Finally, 0.035 meter is equal to 0.0005 kilometers. So we finished this one. Now we move on to the fourth problem. Quite confusing, but it is easy. So question 4, express in kg. That is, first one given is 200 kg, 200 grams. Second one is 3470 grams. Now first grams they have given, we have to convert, express in kgs. So first one, 200 grams. So we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg, and 1 kg is equal to 1 by 1000, sorry, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. Therefore 200 gram is equal to 200 into 1 by 1000 kg is equal to 0.200, or you can write, or you can stop in this one, kg. Because this 2 cancels, 2 zeros cancels, can write like this, 2 by 10 kg. Now second one, 347 grams. So similarly same thing, we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. Now for 347 grams is equal to, multiply this 3470 into 1 by 1000. So 1010 cancels. You have 347 by 100, which is equal to 3.47 kg. So now third one is, we finished converting grams into kg. 4 kg, how we express 4 kg and 8 grams, or 4 kg 8 grams? We can write this one as 4 kg plus 8 grams we can write. So now this can be written as 4 kg plus gram will be how much? 8 by 1000. So we know that same thing, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So for 8, how much? 8 grams is equal to 8 into 1 by 1000 kg. 8 into 1 by 1000 kg. Right here 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000 kg. Now you can write it as 4 kg plus this one, 8 by 1000 can be written as 0.008 kg. Add both. So we'll get it as 4.008 kg. This is how to convert. So 4 kg 8 grams is given. We can write it as this also, we have to convert in kg. So 4 kg plus 8 grams, then 4 kg 8 grams. We know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. Then 8 grams is equal to 8 into 1 by 1000 kg, which is equal to 8 by 1000. So we can write 4 kg plus 8 by 1000 as 0.008 kg. Now add both, we get 4.008 kg. So this is the solution for the question 3 and 4. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.